Good morning, Naija, and welcome to your Health Corner on top the Good Morning Naija show, where we dey summer you with all the better information where you need to make sure say your body dey very, very kajad. My name, as you know, na Dr. Adora, and today, in fact, throughout this week, the matter where dey ground, it concern one jagbajantis disease like that, where they worry plenty people, where they call arthritis. Yes, I sure say you go don hear am before. Although the word arthritis, they refer to wetin Oyibo they call joint inflammation. This particular word, they use am to describe up to 200 wetin Oyibo they call rheumatic diseases and any condition at all where they affect our joints, so plus all the tissues for our body where they surround our joints and other connective tissues then. The most common form of this arthritis now, osteoarthritis, and this now the arthritis where they affect bone. Other common conditions where they follow this arthritis will still be part of the arthritis. Now, one way that they call gout, another one way they call fibromyalgia and rheumatoid arthritis. As we they go, I'm going to explain all these ones they give you. So, wetin be arthritis? First and foremost, anytime you they feel pain, be like say that place they do you like say they drum for there, or the thing hard where, or it don't swell for one area, as one joint or more. All these ones go they point you towards that arthritis where we they talk about, or rheumatic condition. And these symptoms, they develop small, or if it just starts once like that, bam. Then you get some kind conditions also, some kind of these rheumatic conditions where they involve our immune system. That all those soldiers where they fight disease for our body, plus other different internal organs where they inside our body. This term arthritis, like I talked before, they use them to describe numerous diseases where they affect our joints. Then some of them, such as the rheumatoid arthritis, even one where they call lupus, can affect different organs inside our body, and they get different plenty symptoms where they cause gbege for our body. This arthritis is more common among adults where they between the ages of 65 years or more. But people of all ages, even including children, our them, they too they suffer this arthritis. How the thing they take day for inside the world? Well, about 52.5 million adults for the United States. You know, say for year, we not to get statistics like that. So we go use US as our example. Like 52.5 million adults, that's now 22.7% of their population. They don't report say they get this form of arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, or gout, or lupus, or fibromyalgia. And with the people where they live long for this US, they don't talk say the number of people where doctor don't tell say they get this arthritis, that number they expect say it go increase. So they don't estimate say by the year 2030, 67 million, that's now 25% of all the projected total adult population where they above 18 years, say those ones they go develop doctor diagnosed arthritis. Say doctor go tell them say you get arthritis. Arthritis, it gets one very significant high prevalence. That means say it happen for women especially, like 23.9% more than men. We get 18.6%. And the way the thing they happen, it they increase as person they take they old, and it's still they higher among women than men. They also discover, say, sabi people then do research on top of the matter, discover, say, 294,000 children under the age of 18, they get one kind arthritis or rheumatic condition. And this, they represent approximately 1 in every 250 children in the United States. Well, what be the things where fits the kind limitations that now the badness where this arthritis go cause to make person they suffer some kind things. And talk to this arthritis, it significant. It gets significant impact for different individuals. For example, almost 43.2%, that's now 22.7 million adults with this arthritis. They don't report say this arthritis they make them they slow. They find it difficult to do some kind important things where on a good day they feel they do. That's now their daily functional activities. I go send you the remaining of these ones tomorrow. So I beg, make you not just try yourself to miss Health Corner tomorrow. My name is still Dr. Adora, and I go see you tomorrow.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.